I'm Jack Wang, the Global Marketing Director for the TrinaTracker business unit within Trina Solar, originally from the Jiangsu province in China. I believe that Chinese cuisine, especially dumplings, is fundamental to Chinese culture and the global perception of our country, especially during Chinese New Year celebrations. Working from the Madrid office provides me with a unique perspective on both Spanish and Chinese cultures, and it's an honor to share the significance of this delicious tradition with my colleagues as an essential part of our cross-cultural interactions. Innovation and integration are crucial for us as we aim to eliminate geographical barriers between our teams. We encourage exchange programs between offices to connect and achieve excellence in our work, both for our employees and clients. Understanding the different cultures and traditions within our team is vital for fostering growth as a company.
I'm Yunqi Huang, a proud member of the Trina Solar team here in Madrid. And what I want to share with you the joy we feel as we celebrate the Chinese New Year in our beloved city. In these moments of celebration, it brings me great happiness to feel China a little closer to us. We've adorned our space with beautiful red lanterns, symbolizing good luck and prosperity, and have welcomed the presence of the dragon, the emblem of this new year, marked by its positive energy and auspicious spirit. This year, our human resources initiatives also embrace cultural diversity, reflected in special events like the celebration of the Chinese New Year. We are committed to continuing to build an inclusive culture that celebrates differences and fosters an environment where everyone feels valued and respected.
Hello everyone, I'm Chen Lan, the head of HRBP at TrinaTracker. TrinaTracker is a business unit of Trina Solar. I would like to share with you the importance we place on diversity and culture richness within our global company, hailing from China and fully my role from Europe. As a leader in human resources, my goal is to cultivate an inclusive environment that celebrates the different identities, experiences, and perspectives with our team. Diversity is our strength, and working from Europe gives me the unique opportunity to integrate the various cultures that enrich our company. This year, we have launched initiatives in human resources to strengthen our inclusive culture. We are implementing professional development and training programs to ensure that all team members have equal and fair growth opportunities. We are more united is a motto guiding our human resource department. We strive to create a space where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered to contribute to our collective success. I'm excited about what the future holds as we contribute to build an inclusive and sustainable global company. Thank you for being part of this exciting journey at Trina Solar.
Hello everyone, I'm Patricia, an active member of the Human Resources team here at Trina Solar Madrid. And I'm excited to share with you the magic we experienced while celebrating the Chinese New Year in our beloved city. In my day-to-day, I immerse myself in the thrilling task of leading teams, training and integrating new members. As a company with a headquarters in China and a vibrant presence in Madrid, the fusion of both cultures is one of the gems of our daily lives. In these festive moments, the significance of our cultural coexistence takes on an even more special meaning. Cultural diversity not only enriches us, but also unites us in a strong and positive bond. We discovered that despite the difference, we share fundamental values such as teamwork, innovation, and commitment to excellence. These similarities unite us beyond cultural boundaries, creating a collaborative environment where each employee, whether Chinese or Western, contributes unequally to our collective success. By understanding and respecting the diverse identities and perspectives of our employees, we create an enriching work environment that fosters individual growth and contributes to the collective success of Trina Solar.
Enviamos nuestras felicitaciones a nuestros colegas en China. ¡Feliz Año Nuevo del Dragón! Y como decimos en Venezuela, a gozar el año!
Desejamos a nossos colegas da China ano do dragão cheio de felicidade e muito sucesso.
Auguriamo ai nostri colleghi in Cina felice anno del drago ricco di successi e di gioie.
Félicitations à nos collègues en Chine qui entrent dans l'année du dragon. Que cette année vous apporte prospérité, bonheur et réussite.